From search operation at Sadhguru's Isha Foundation to Supreme Court proceedings on the religious structures in public places and politics on the arrest of climate activist Sonam Wangchuk. Let's get you all the big stories of the day in this news wrap. Hi, I'm Flora Swai and you're watching the Indian Express. Let's get started. In an exclusive report by the Indian Express, a search operation was carried out at Isha Foundation's ashram in Thondamuthur in Coimbatore on Tuesday. The search was conducted following a court order directing the Coimbatore Rural Police to investigate and file a report on a habeas corpus petition. The petition was filed by Dr. S. Kamaraj, a retired professor, claiming that his two daughters, 42-year-old Geeta Kamaraj and 39-year-old Lata Kamaraj, were being held captive at the foundation in Coimbatore. A battalion of 150 police officers led by an ASP from Coimbatore inspected Sadhguru's ashram as part of the operation. The search is still ongoing as of the time of this video. The Supreme Court of India emphasized that public safety takes precedence, ruling that any religious structure encroaching on public roads, water bodies or rail tracks must be removed. The court stated that these directives apply to all citizens regardless of religion, affirming India as a secular country. Here's our full report on the issue.
The Supreme Court has ruled that public safety is paramount. Any religious structure encroaching on roads, water bodies or rail tracks must be removed. The court made it clear that this directive applies to all citizens regardless of their religion. The court emphasized that India is a secular country. Actions taken, including bulldozer drives, will apply equally to all without distinction based on religion. The bench said any structure, whether a temple, dargah or gurudwara, cannot obstruct public safety and must be removed if it encroaches on public spaces. A bench led by Justices B.R. Gavai and K.V. Vishwanathan were hearing petitions that challenge the use of bulldozer action against individuals accused of crimes. The bench clarified that criminal accusations cannot be grounds for property demolition. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, representing the states of Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh, affirmed that bulldozer action is not permissible for crimes, even heinous ones like rape or terrorism. Mehta stressed that proper notice must be issued in advance under municipal laws before any demolition can take place. The court suggested creating an online portal to ensure transparency in such actions. This would allow citizens to track notices and have a clear record. Mehta raised concerns about allegations of specific communities being targeted. The court responded firmly, stating that the law applies to all, regardless of faith. It reiterated that public safety overrides any religious or community considerations. Senior advocate Vrinda Grover raised concerns about housing availability, prompting objections from the Solicitor General. He stated that India does not require international intervention as its constitutional courts and government are fully capable of handling such issues. Senior advocate C.U. Singh argued against using bulldozer action as a crime-fighting tool. The court reiterated that demolitions should only occur for violations of civic rules, not criminal accusations.
Congress leader Rahul Gandhi criticized Prime Minister Narendra Modi after Delhi police detained around 120 people from Ladakh, including climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, who had marched to the national capital demanding 6th schedule status for the Union Territory. Reacting to detentions, Rahul Gandhi took to social media platform X, stating, "Modi ji, just like with farmers, this Chakravyuh will be broken and so will your arrogance. You'll have to listen to Ladakh's voice." In a related development, Delhi Chief Minister Atishi visited Bhavana police station to meet Wangchuk but claimed she was denied access to him.
और शांतिपूर्ण प्रदर्शन कर रहे सोनम वांगचुक जी और लद्दाख के लोग जो कल 2 अक्टूबर को बापू की समाधि पे दर्शन करने जा रहे थे, उनको भारतीय जनता पार्टी की केंद्र सरकार ने गिरफ्तार कर लिया। ना सिर्फ इतना, हालांकि पुलिस ने पुलिस स्टेशन में मेरी एंट्री करवाई, उन्होंने मुझे सोनम वांगचुक जी से मिलने नहीं दिया। ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी की तानाशाही है। हम सोनम वांगचुक जी का पूरा समर्थन करते हैं। लद्दाख में एलजी राज खत्म होना चाहिए और उसी तरह दिल्ली में भी ये एलजी राज खत्म होना चाहिए। 1947 में इस देश के लोगों को आजादी मिली है। इस देश के लोगों को वोट का अधिकार मिला है। इस देश को संविधान ने लोकतांत्रिक अधिकार दिए हैं। लेकिन चाहे लद्दाख में हो, चाहे दिल्ली में हो, लद्दाख के लोगों के वोट का अधिकार छीना गया।
Moving ahead, actor and Shiv Sena leader Govinda has been hospitalized after injuring himself in the leg. The injury was caused by his own revolver. Govinda is currently hospitalized at Criticare Hospital and police are investigating the incident after seizing his weapon.
नमस्कार, प्रणाम। मैं हूँ गोविंदा। आप सब लोगों के आशीर्वाद और माँ बाप का आशीर्वाद और गुरु की कृपा की वजह से गोली लगी थी, पर वो निकाल दी गई है। मैं धन्यवाद देता हूँ यहाँ के डॉक्टर का, आदरणीय डॉक्टर अग्रवाल जी का, और आप सब लोगों की प्रार्थनाएं जो है, आप लोग का धन्यवाद। प्रणाम।
फिल्म अभिनेता और पूर्व सांसद गोविंदा जी ने एक ऑडियो क्लिप भेजा है, वो अब ठीक है, और उन्होंने धन्यवाद किया है डॉक्टर अग्रवाल का, जिन्होंने उनके पैर से बुलेट निकाला है। और सभी जो गोविंदा के फैंस हैं उनको कोई चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, और सभी के शुभकामनाएं गोविंदा जी के स्पीडी रिकवरी के लिए शिवसेना की तरफ से और सभी देशवासियों की तरफ से हम देते हैं।
Now turning to Jammu and Kashmir, where voting for the final phase of elections concluded on Tuesday. The third and largest phase saw polling for 40 assembly seats. As of 5 p.m., the voter turnout stood at 65.48%. Udhampur district recorded the highest turnout with 72.91%, while Baramulla saw the lowest at 55.73%. Unlike the previous two phases, the majority of the seats in this phase, which is 24 out of 40, are in Jammu division, with remaining 16 in Kashmir. The results are set to be declared on the 8th of October. That's all for the day, but now we are leaving you with visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's meeting with his Jamaican counterpart Andrew Holness at Hyderabad House in New Delhi.